you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you. Just quite noisy there in your.
Still noise?
Yeah, now it's better.
Okay.
Yeah, I would like to get a consultation with you to see if we can do work together. But yeah, let just want to know your expertise before starting a job.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so you already see my profile, right?
I saw some, yeah, part of your profile. That's why I decided to get in contact with you. Um, so just here, this one here, personal. Yeah. So what we want to do is just working with a marketing agency in
Okay.
Finland. And then I've been working on-site SEO, just kind of fixing internally. We want to internally fix some errors that we had and try to get the meta tags and we created the schema markup and everything. But we came up with some long tail keywords that we have here. So I would like to know, you know, we want to create a strategy behind those keywords and eventually find out what are the keywords that our potential customers are looking for. So and compared to what we think people are looking for, eventually we're putting there our services and what we want to stand out for. um, we have kind of a list that we would like to run through any of those tools that help you to do the keyword like SEM, SEM Rush or the other ones. So that's what we want that I want to do. So from there we can decide what are the keywords or the long tail keywords that we could use through our website and also creating content like blog posts and LinkedIn posts and stuff like that. But eventually what we want to do first is just to create um, a strategy behind these keywords. So
Okay.
that's one thing, and the other thing, eventually we won't be able to create as much content as possible in the short term, and we want to start ranking as soon as possible. So I think the only way we could do is just to have a way to create backlinks somewhere somehow, and then try to make them to point out to us using the keywords that we have right now. So that's basically what we want to do, or what I want the person I will start working with to do, to create a keyword strategy plus the backlink strategy.
Okay, got it. Got it, your point. Okay, so do you have the content writer in your team?
Excuse me, what?
Do you have the content writer in your team?
In my team, do I have
You have already blog post, right? So do you have any content writer in your team?
content creator? We have, we are a marketing agency, and what we have, the content creator is mostly for our customers, but we don't have like a internal content creator for ourselves. It's yeah, that's how it goes sometimes, that we have copywriters here, but they're all booked for customers. But yeah, so we need to find a way how we can create content in a high space, in a high pace. So we could yeah, start with that.
Okay. Okay, got it. Okay, can I share my screen and give you the strategy?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay, let me share my screen real quick. So just let me know if you can see my screen.
Now I see it. Yes.
Okay, so as I understand, you already implemented the on-page SEO and now you are looking for the keyword research solution. So what we will do is, like, you already research keywords with the SEMrush and the Ahref, and actually I prefer the Ahref for research the keywords and managing everything. Like, this is my one of the project which we are starting around 8 months ago, and in the last 8 months we are engaging around 4.4k keywords in Google top 100 ranking, and we are also engaging very good amount of traffic. So I followed this strategy. Let me share this strategy with you. So at first, the our work will be the website audit. Like, we will audit our full website with the SEMrush, with the Ahref, and with manually as well. Like, we have used some like free tools like SEO and Meta One Click, and these tools working pretty good actually. These tools like give us some overview, like there is any title issue, description issue, canonical issue, heading issue, this type of basic stuff. And like, there is the many tools, which
What is that?
tools
What is
we
that?
will
What?
audit.
Sorry. What is that tool that you just showed? It's like a.
SEO in SEO Meta in one click. So with these tools, actually, we can get some basic stuff, but it is helpful actually. Like, current title, this is good or not. Like, we know that our title should be 40 to 60 characters. Our description should be 140 to 160 characters. There is no keywords. We also need to set up the canonical URL. So here is not no canonical URL show. So this type of stuff we know, and also there is no robots meta tag. Like, there should be index tag. So this type of basic stuff we can get from these tools. We will use these tools. We will use SEMrush. We will use Ahref. Okay. So there are also we will use the Google Search Console as well. Like, there is many indexing issue we facing. Like, when sitemap we submit, Google find some, discover some issues, and not index our all links, right? So there will be many issues, combined issues. So that will be our first step. So this is the audit part. Okay. And the second part will be like, we solve the all the issues which will get from audit. Like, our target will be get 100 score. Okay. So not 99, we'll get 100 score. So we should like solve all the issues and get 100 score. So this will be the first step. And the second step, like, you already looking for long tail keywords, and yeah, I will give you the long tail keywords based on our current page and based on the future post as well. And keywords structure will be like this. Let me show you. So I will give like uh, let me real quick, just a moment. I give you the sample like this type of like keywords we will give. So this is the format. Okay. Like, this will be the topic, our current topic, which topic you already write in your page, and this will be the our main keyword. And I will show some volume and the difficulties, how difficult rank this keyword. And also I'll put some secondary keyword which we will use in our heading section. Like, there will be subheading, right? H2 or H3. So those subheading will use this keyword, and also this keyword volume and difficulty will be here. Okay. So this is
Okay.
the
Hold
for
on, hold on.
every page and every post. Yeah, please.
Yeah. So where do you get those numbers? Like 250, difficulty 50, and where do you get those numbers from?
Yeah, from Ahref, these tools.
Okay.
Ahrefs. This is the very popular tools actually. Also, actually, I also prefer the SEMrush, but it's giving a good result than SEMrush actually. Okay,
Okay.
and so this will be the keyword research section, and these all are long tail keywords, as you see, and these all keywords are ranked. Okay, so when we implement that in our content, And like when you implement the technical SEO and the on-site SEO, this should be ranked. Okay, this all keyword will be ranked. Okay, so the keyword research will be the second step, and third step on-page SEO. If you maintain on-page SEO, that is good. But if you want to give me a ride, then I will do on-page SEO as well for the site, for those pages, and for this post. Like we will set up the title, description, internal link, external link, and heading tag optimization, this type of stuff. Okay, and technical SEO. So we maintain every month. Actually, this will be the ongoing. Like every month, we will crawl and maintain that every month our score is 100 out of 100. Okay, so if there is any ups and downs, then we will go through those issues and solve those issues. So that will be the fourth step. And the fifth step is the content strategy. I'll give you this strategy, like what will be the content strategy. I'll give you the format. Okay, every page format, and those format, if we write the content, those content should be ranked. Okay, so I'll give you the format, like where I need to let me give you the sample so you can better understand. uh, so this is my one client, like this client, this page, this is the main page, but this page he gets 6 clicks last 12 months, so that is not good. Okay, so that's why we need improve. So I'll give you this format, like at first we need to make a h1 tag, then h2 tag, and then h3 tag. So what will be the h1, h2, h3? I'll give you that. And also I'll give you the some frequent asked question as well. These are long tail keywords as well. Okay, so these all the question have the good volume as well. So every post or every page we will add some FAQ. So this structure I will share with you after analyze your page, analyze your post, and then you can understand actually how to write the content. So this strategy I'll share with you. So this will be the fifth step. And the sixth step, you mentioned that we need to create some backlinks. Yeah, definitely we will create some high authority backlinks like guest post, article submission, web 2.0, this type of backlinks. We will do that. So and rest thing is the just monitoring, like our site is performing good or not. That is like every year or quarterly or bi-yearly, Google update their algorithm. So when they update their algorithm, some sites gets like hurt and their traffic goes down or keywords goes down. So that times we will like audit our website and like make some plan to recover that. So that is the all. And if you go with me, I will share the progress report every week, like every Monday. So every Monday you will get the report, and the report I will show. This will be the master sheet. This type of report I will share. Here you will get like every week how many links I have created for your site. You are seeing my screen, right?
Yep.
Okay, so this is the backlinks tab, and in the backlinks tab, you can see that every week how many backlinks I have created. How is our domain progress? This is the measure. Like in the February, your DR was 3, their backlinks was 4, 2, 4, 5. So this type of you can easily compare actually. Like how was last week and how is this week, so we can better understand our website is performing or not. Okay, and I also give you the on page SEO details, like this is the all the pages, and all the pages on site SEO readability both will be green and good. Okay, so this we have all the post have SEO readability, both are green and good. And uh, also I'll give you some analytics visual details, like these details we can understand like how many traffic we are getting. Like this is the week by week report. Like this is the first week where we get like around 1.5k user, and their engagement time was 2 minutes and 37 seconds. And we got around 1000 organic traffic, last week. And so there is the traffic source, and there is the landing page, which landing page we are getting the most traffic, and this is the country, which countries we are getting the most traffic. Okay, so this kind of analytics reports I'll give you every week, so you can get the better understanding actually how our traffic are performing in our site every week. So that is all the thing reporting and the work I can do for your site.
Okay, that's quite a lot of information. You spoke quite fast, but yeah, I guess I would like to think that you know what you're doing. So if you our website, if I check with you our website, can you check it out now, and then we
Yeah,
can just
please.
continue there.
Can we share here real time?
What do I write somewhere, or let me see what is here.
You can send in Upwork.
Should I send it on Upwork?
Yeah, you can.
So it's what is the code? It's an advertising agency.
Okay, got
Creative
it.
agency, and now the creative well landscape is quite difficult because well there are big companies already checking the website. So can you share your screen so I can see what you're doing there?
Yeah.
So basically what we did already was just to what I've done so far, basically, which is I'm the one who needs to go the whole thing is um
There
well,
should be the blog section as well, right?
yeah, the blog session. We don't have a blog right now because that's the problem, that we don't have a blog. We might have to create a new blog,
Yeah.
but that will take a little bit of time. So that's why I thought about the keyword strategy will be mostly to implement inside the pages of the page of the website. Inside the pages, basically the whole website is about business cases. So for example, here if you scroll a little bit up, so we have the services here, services, brand naming, brand development, brand identity. Those are kind of a keywords that we want to use throughout.
Do we have a landing page based on this service?
In the landing page, I mean,
I mean, individual service page based on this service, like brand development. There is any page on brand development?
specifically for that, no, we don't have it specifically for that. Any of
Yeah.
each of them
So
is.
so you need to think about that, because if you want to rank like web design agency or web design company in Finland, like this keyword, or brand development in Finland, this type of keyword, then actually we need to create individual page for all the service currently we have.
Yeah,
Okay.
lots of pages then, because this is one single business case that we use for this specific customer. We use this type of services, brand naming, brand development. But if you go to another website, so another business case, you might find other services that we can perform. Eventually, there are some companies that they overlap the service that we provide for them. For example, here, campaign creative, film production, film direction.
Yeah. So actually, the bad thing is we don't have currently any page based on this service. You should one, actually at least one page or one blogs based on this, because like you mentioned here, but this is not connected with any interlinking, and internal link is very important to like improve your current page authority. Okay.
Yeah.
So
So
your website looks pretty good actually. Pretty good. Design is really good actually. This is the highly designed. This is the pretty good design. But yeah, there is some content strategy actually, because if we don't create those landing page, this site won't be ranked with many keywords. Okay, like when we create this type of pages, then we can engage actually huge organic traffic. Okay, but if we don't have any landing pages based on this, so Google won't understand, or people won't understand actually you are providing this service, but you don't have any landing page or source based on these topics or
So what
service.
we can do is just, for example, if we create hyperlinks here, if we click campaign creative, it will go to a page where we list all the the, maybe we can
So
describe a little bit about what is campaign creative, what is it included, and then some of the business cases that we have, that where we have used the campaign creative service.
yeah, but like you are providing campaign creative service, so you should be like one individual page where your service details will be there, right?
So
So
what? You,
every website, actually every company, there is they provide the service, and they have the service page. In the service page they are providing details, like if you providing the like film production this service, then you should have one page based on the film production, and there you can write about your service, about your portfolio, about your case study, all the things.
yeah.
So that's why actually that is the improvement way. So that's why we can engage actually very good amount of traffic.
Yeah.
So I can give you that plan, and I can give you the content, I can give you the layout. So you just need to review, and you need to like give me the portfolio, that's kind of stuff. So if you do that, then I can give you the like I can do the layout and the content
Yeah.
and the.
Keywords are missing there. You said that keywords are missing. What do you mean? What do you mean by that?
Yeah, let me share. Let me check. So actually, this is the old tool actually. So there is no keywords part. That's why. Like every page, there should be the like one uh, like meta tag called keywords, called description. Yeah, description is there. You see, this is the description. Description is there, and this is the open graph for the social tag. Social tag also there. Title also there. Okay, there is some improvement thing actually, like which we can work.
And then robots. I'm sure that robots are like yeah, those kind of if you go to
There is some image actually without alter tag. So alter tag is very important to rank your image.
yeah, but
So there is no
that's
alter
why I
tag.
want to that's one thing that I wanted to do. If you go back to summary here on the left, the tab,
Yeah.
the publisher, I don't know what that means, but yeah, robots. I'm pretty sure that we have the robots already defined, but I don't know why it's say undefined. Maybe just because it's only in the landing page that we put the robots. The robot. So the website is created in Webflow.
Okay.
Have you worked with Webflow before?
No.
Yeah, that would be. But then
I am
anyway,
very familiar with the HTML, CSS, and the PHP actually. So yeah, if I need the development help, like I will give you the details, and you need to inject that.
yeah, that's what I thought. Like, Webflow is a bit is easier, but it's when you start, it takes some time for you to understand where things are.
Webflow.
Webflow,
Web.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, I heard that about. So this is the one kind of CMS, right?
Is it we're not using the CMS because well, we wanted just to go with the kind of the lower price. So it's basically all the website the page is created, manually, but not so manual,
Okay.
but at least some sort of a template. But we're happy with that, and we don't want to change it. So I've been, for example, creating all the schema markup is there. If I can share a little bit my page, and then you see a
Yeah, yeah.
little stuff. Do you
Yeah,
um
please let me. Okay, you can share now.
this one here, share, yeah. What do you see now? Just want to see here. Do you see what do you see? Do you see me? Do you see the page?
I see the SEO meta in one click.
Yeah, so it's so Webflow, and then let me see. The internet is a bit slow here, but let's see. Where did it come here? The dashboard. So here we are. So but these are all the technical part here to update. You just tell me what is it, and then I will just do the update. So
Yeah.
For example, here, yeah, here's the general one, and then here's the part of SEO. So everything is here. The robots is created here. So this should be fine, which where we define the sitemap as well. We've been connected with the Google search data. It's been connected. The canonical URL is there. This is kind of the basic part. And then if we go to the page itself, basically we create the so for the landing page, which is mostly what we've done things, for example, here the title tag here, meta description, and then I have added this here, the whole, like schema markup, which is
Yeah.
also
Where you get this schema?
sorry, what?
So where you get this schema?
How did I get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was our developer developed it for us. We have a developer
So this
here.
is the organization type, right? And the
We
job
have we
title.
have all of them, at least five of them. So we go to here to schema validator, and we map well with code, and then it gets you the organization on the personal organization service person FAQ. So we got people here. We got the organizational everything that. So that part is covered. But what I want to, this part is covered somehow. What I want to do now is just basically to um to create the maybe just open the one that is not it's not the one that is not um just get here. I just been doing some audit here, but this one here. No, this one here. This is just probably somewhere relative to give me one sec. Give me 1 second, just trying to find
Okay.
it for who's this one? Performance. This one. What's going on here? I just don't find it. My computer is also running out of everything, so I just kind of have to buy a new one. Sony's using Mac is now it's not so good sometimes. It's quite slow sometimes. This is the one. Yeah. So I'm gonna go back here and share this one here, desktop one. Yeah, so we were working with these guys here. These are the long tail. These are the long tail keywords that we want to use, but we don't know if we should use them the way they are. So it's a branding, creative communication for technology. We want to focus. Eventually, we are open to work with all the customers, especially B2B, but we want to go down to a niche. So the niche what we want to do work is with companies that work with technology, with engineering, with science. These are kind of the three niches that we want to focus on, and these are the three niches we've been doing work for. But eventually, we can work with anyone. But if you want to, be professional or be good at something, we want to focus on these three industries, right? So we have branding, creative communication for technology, for engineering, for science, and then we kind of start uh, putting down every single thing that we do, creativity that boosts technology and branding and sales. I don't know what do you think about these type of long keywords, long tail keywords?
Yeah, so this is the very long tail keywords actually, and long tail keywords actually very good start for the startup firm. And yeah, like this is the branding and the creative communication for technology. So this is the long tail keyword. This long tail keyword we can use for service page. Like if we create a service page called like branding and creative, we already have the branding and creative, right? Creative
Yeah.
service. So we can create a page, service page called branding and creative, and there the content we can use some heading, like the heading should be branding and creative communication for technology, for engineering, and for science. So these three will be subheading in that page. We can covered with the other content, like we can share some portfolio on that page, share some like other services on that page. So we will design a layout like what should be like in those pages. I'll give you the template, then you can sit with the designer or developer, and we can sit together as well, like what should be in our service page. When we discuss, then they can design, actually they can design one service, and then we can just implement that for all our services. Like in the like footer section there is the many other services as well. Yeah.
Okay. For example, this is something that I was just doing. These are the customers. There's a few customer of us that we're working on, the industry, type of industry that we want to do, and then there are the type of services that we provide. So I was just because we want to create content, and we want to create content depending mostly. Now we create content based on our customers, but I want to start creating
Got it.
content based on our products, on our services. So that's why
Yes, exactly.
that's why I listed here. Okay, for these customers, okay, we create storytelling. So let's create a blog post about storytelling where we can link these guys, right? So we can start the narrative, and then we can start
Yeah.
saying about what we do, how we do storytelling, or the way we did it with Baisala, for example. So there is a link that people will kind of go and click to go to the Baisala case study. But if they continue
Yeah.
reading, so we continue talking about how we do the storytelling, what are the principles and methodology that we use, and then later we will talk about the way we did it with I don't know, with Thermo Fisher, for example. So we will link Thermo Fisher in the same blog post. We will have like, for example, if we got four, we got five links, internal links, internal links. They won't be backlinks, but they will be internal links. And then in the backlinks, I want the backlinks to be talking about pretty much the same thing. So it's um, that's what I'm doing. I'm doing with this type of like this graph or list of what we're doing and what we're doing for customers. But there, so yeah. But what I need to do first is basically check these long tail keywords. Well, eventually, if head term will be branding and marketing and creative, for example, this will be the head term, right?
Yeah.
So same here. We got creativity and branding. I don't know, something like that.
So this is will be creativity page. Main page will be creativity.
Yeah, exactly. These are kind of ideas that came from, from basically just a brainstorming session that we have, and then we come up with all these no, so this one here, with kind of all the information what we want to do, but then we put it down here into more organized way.
Okay.
But there was one of the, if you one of the Google or the spreadsheet that you showed me, where you have the some sort of the uh, sorry about that. So one of the
Like
you
data.
were sharing the keyword strategy. It was some sort of a yellow background. You have some cells with yellow color. Can you show me that again? Because I think that would be a good starting point for us, just to define this type of keyword, long tail keyword strategy, where we can probably have this kind of a long keyword, and then we have the keyword difficulty, the domain authority. So you can go through all of these and give me these numbers, and then probably see how we can use them.
Yeah, like we have the already service, right? Like if there is 20 or 30 service total, then actually let me share my screen again.
Did you see my screen, or the before?
Oh, I did.
Okay.
So this is this way we will like our here will be the our main topics. Okay, like main topics is the branding and creativity. This is the main topics. Okay, and with this main topics, our primary keyword will be the branding and creativity agency in Finland, like this. Okay, or branding in Finland. This type of keyword will be the main keyword. Okay, and this main keyword I'll give you the volume and the difficulty, and the secondary keyword, there will be secondary keyword, 5 to 10 secondary keyword, and those 5 to 10 secondary keyword you already have the three, I think, three, two or three for every service. So those secondary keyword will be here, and those secondary keyword I will also give you the volume and the difficulty. And the third step here will be the FAQ section. Like every page or every post, we will add some FAQ. Here is the FAQ section. So these all the also key question based keyword and have the good volume as well. And this is the low competitive keywords. So every page, if we engage 5 keywords, 5 FAQ, that means there should be the 5 keywords as well here. And I'll give this 5 keyword volume and the difficulty as well. So this will be the structure for every page or every post. And this
Yeah,
way,
you know
when
what?
we implement this content, there will be the, like around 50 to 100 keywords will be ranked based on one service page. Okay, that's way we can engage more organic traffic actually.
Yeah. I mean, it's
Yeah,
I don't know
please go ahead.
how important for us is to, because if we don't create enough content, the odds for us to have a high numbers in organic traffic will be probably not so good. So since we haven't done any much content related to our services, mostly about our cases and everything like that. So we don't have blogs. So I don't think we were gonna create a lot of organic traffic, but at least when we search, when people search on Google for any of our
Great.
keywords, we should be there at least in the first page. Now we are not even in the third page. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for now.
Okay, so like if we want to get first page based on your home page, the front page, then we need to engage content in the front page. Like in the front page, if we go to the front page now, like is there any the keyword, which keyword you research, those are not in the front page.
Something. Are you sharing something now?
Yeah, so like this is our front page. Okay, and
Yeah.
like you use some headings here, and here is the some content, right? So if we want to rank this page based on the long tail keywords. So long tail keywords should be used in some heading section. Okay, so this will be the heading, and uh, based on this heading we need to write some content here. Like if we want to rank brand and creativity agency in Finland, then here should be brand and creativity agency in Finland, and here also should be write on brand and creativity agency in Finland. Not here actually, I'm talking about that this kind of content we need
Yeah,
to insert here some way. Okay, so that's way we can rank this front page as well. Like every page there is the which page we want to rank, we can rank this way. Okay.
yeah. Also, we need to add the services here because we don't have the services what we actually offer. I've been
Yeah.
talking with the developer, and we will probably have to. If you go back to the website again, to our website, to our landing page, for example, if you go up to the top bar, there are a few things that I need to check out, which is one is the speed of the the loading speed, which is quite slow because we have a video that we're gonna remove the video from uh from loading at first. If you remove, yeah, if you supposed to be between 3 to 5 will be excellent, but if you go like up, and that's one major setback for Google if the page doesn't load like quickly, right? Is that a problem if the page doesn't load fast?
Yeah, that is the pretty good problem actually. Like this is the like Google update their algorithm last November, right? And speed is very important actually.
So yeah, I mean,
Desktop is pretty good, but mobile is not good. Most this is the JavaScript issue. There is some image problem as well. Okay, these issues we need to solve as well. And the speed is very important thing for rank. We need to exclude these things. So this will be reduce some speed, page speed
yeah.
load.
These are the things that I need to, because I will have a meeting tomorrow with them. So I would like to. I mean, it's quite now. What time is there for you?
Yeah, here is the around 7 p.m. 7 6 16.
Yeah, you're gonna stop working sometime soon, right?
No, actually, I will be up next 3 or 4 hours and sleep around 11 p.m. my time.
Yeah. So how do we start? Now you understand what the difficulty is. I want to come up tomorrow with my meeting with some sort of a place. For example, the
We
keyword.
will like work with like our current page, like which page currently we have. We will research keywords for all the page currently we have. Okay, and after research the keywords, we will planning to how to insert this content with those page. So this will be the next step.
Yeah, we have our own copywriter here.
Okay.
We really like we want to keep this at least the content that will appear on our website. We want to do it ourselves. It's a bit slow, but we want to do it ourselves because we have a in-house copywriter that is focused on this. So what I want to give him is a structure of that while he's doing the content, while he's editing the content from our landing page based on our suggestions, he will do it himself. And then while he's doing the corrections in our landing page and everything, so we could work on some other things. For example, for example, fixing the speed of the loading the website loading, or some other JavaScript errors that they are showing there. So while we are building creating this, he can do that. And also I need to find a strategy for the keyword, for the backlinks. So since I know that we're not gonna be able to keep up with creating so many blog posts for the rest of the year or not, because we're busy with some other customers. So we'll have to try to, there are places where you can buy the backlink somewhere, like, I don't know. I've been just researching a lot of backlinks, and then now I'm just getting, for example, in my Instagram, there's a lot of services offering backlinks, like 1,000 backlinks, and out, from high authority website that I don't know where or what they are, but we will probably have to go with that. So
Yeah, backlink is the very crucial part actually. Like if you have the good backlinks, then it is good for your site. But if you have the bad backlinks, then actually it is very, very harmful for the website and for the ranking. Uh, okay, so we will do the backlinks. Backlinks is very important, but we need to implement the on-page SEO first. Okay, and beside the on-page SEO, we will create every week we will create some backlinks. So that's way
how
we
do
can increase our authority and increase
how do you create those how do you create those backlinks, and where they are coming from? Do you have any authority domains that you could, like, related to?
yeah. Like all the backlinks, domain authority will be 30 plus. So 30 plus domain is good, and their spam score will be less than 10. So that is the two main thing we need to focus. Like spam score shouldn't be more than 10. That is the important. Like if you have the create backlinks, which backlinks domain authority is 90, but their spam score is 30, that is very, very bad. And that is the very we can get spam or penalty from search console. So that is the very important part actually. We need to focus many things to create backlinks. Like we need to focus on the what is their current domain authority, what is the relevancy, and what is the current spam score. And
But how do you,
there should be let me give you the strategy how I create those. So like there will be various type of backlinks. One backlinks will be the guest
sharing
post.
link? Are you sharing something, because I don't see anything?
No, not sharing. uh,
Oh,
so I'm just giving a brief. The guest post, I mean, generally actually when you search in Google based on the topics, there will be the many site who accept guest post from the other author. So we will reach out them and offer them, we want to post a very high quality article on their site. So many site actually post our article for free, and some site also required some payment. Like if we want to post our article in their site, then they will charge actually 20 or $30 per link. That's way. This is the guest posting link, and we also create our some subdomain. This is called web 2.0. This is the very important, that is the very good source for engaging traffic and get backlinks from high authority site. Like there is Wix, Weebly, WordPress, this kind of microblogging site. Those site we can create a blog based on our company, and create a article once a week, and that's why we will get one backlinks from those site per week. And those will be the very high authority backlinks. Also there will be the forum backlinks, there will be the profile backlinks, there will be the some local citation building backlinks based on Finland. So this there will be the various type of this kind of backlinks actually, and all backlinks we will create manually. And before created, we will check their domain authority, relevancy, and the spam score.
And what about the content? How do you create the content? Should I give you the content or
Yeah,
what?
content we will like, that's why we need the content writer in our team.
Content what? Sorry.
Yeah, I need content from you, from your side, for the guest post, and the other backlinks. No need to like content, because I can get those from like ChatGPT 4. Because there should be like less amount of content, around 100 characters. But for the guest post, I need content from your end.
Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah. So for example, ChatGPT, you will give kind of a prompt that, hey, create a blog post using these keywords.
Yeah.
So ChatGPT will get it, and then you pass that content AI created to these people, and then they just will post it on their links. And how long does it take for for a link to be like verified as a backlink?
Yeah, so those will be the permanent link actually, and when you create the links, it will take some time to index to Google, or indexed like any SEO tools we are using, like Ahref or something. It is taking around 14 days maximum for index.
14, like 2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks.
Okay.
We can get the backlinks in instant, but it will take some time to index by Google, 14 days, up to 14 days.
Okay. So yeah, there is so much going on, but as I say, based on these keywords or these long tail keywords that I'm sharing something with you. Am I?
Uh,
You
I,
see,
I already see your all the keywords.
you see mine or not?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay.
This is
So yeah,
this is just the window.
so these are eventually these long keywords are the things that we think people are looking for. For example, our target group will be a marketing director or a product marketing of a technology company who will be looking for create a product promo video. So they will just go on Google and search for brand creative communication for technology. So these are the kind of the thing that we think that people would be looking for, but we're not sure if actually people are looking for in this way, in this specific way, in order. So what I want to also know is to see how people are looking for. I mean, it's do we need to go to Google and start writing like branding and creative, for
Yeah, I
example?
understand the totally actually base total project. So yeah, so first step will be the keyword research. We can start currently which page currently we have.
Yeah, Macworld. It was before Macworld.fi, and then we changed the domain to CO, and now we all the side links disappear. Now that we just have only that, basically.
This is the
Yeah.
new site, right?
Well, the new no, it's not the new site. We've been there for a while. We just changed the domain because we want to be more international instead of just being
Okay, okay.
oriented with .fi. We wanted to do it like more like because we're expanding, try to expand to the US and the rest of Europe. So we didn't want to sound too Finnish. Even though we want to tell that we're from Finland, but we want to just be more broad market broad. So that's why we move it to CO instead.
Okay.
So when we changed the domain to .co, so we lost all the site links below. Like if you go, for example, I don't know, we have this website here. We got all the site links here that we lost because we changed the domain. But I guess we have to wait a little bit until Google start indexing them again. But it's been a month already, so I don't know why it's taking so long.
Okay.
So yeah, just to finish this meeting because I need to get going. What if you start what if you start by putting these keywords that I just showed it to you. You can start putting those keywords in
Actually, what I will work based on the page currently you have. So you can share those keywords, and I will like use those keywords which page suits these keywords. Okay, and beside this keyword, I will research more. Like there should be around 10 keywords per landing page per page, like your client page, home page, work page. This type of page we will use around 10 keywords. So you can share those keywords, and I will research more as well and give you the format actually.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if we're gonna be able to use all these keywords in one single page, or we have to, spread them throughout the whole website, basically. But otherwise, we're gonna be just talking too much about, specific only keywords, actually proper narrative. But yeah, you know what you're doing. So this is basically what I want to, but what I want to see, but I want to, define them a little bit, better the way you have it in one of in your keyword research or keyword strategy spreadsheet. Probably that one will be a good one. So how do we start? Do I share only these keywords with you, and then you can come up with um I don't know. You tell me, what would you do with the keyword?
Okay. Okay, so you can share those keyword with Upwork, and share like send me a contract in
Yeah.
Upwork, so I can start. So we can work with the hourly basis, and I'll take $11 per hour.
Let me just create a new. I don't know if I'm gonna share the whole spreadsheet. Maybe just kind of create a new one, and then
So you can share the current spreadsheet you have, and I'll share the master sheet one, and pull those existing data to that the new sheet and share with you.
yeah. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, please.
Ahora, mute, dale. Yeah, I'm here. I'm here now.
Okay, so you can like send me the just contract, and share the spreadsheet in Upwork so I can start.
Yeah. Should I just give it to you? Share it as your email, or should I just hold on,
In
share
Upwork, you can just send me in Upwork.
anyone with the link?
Because before contract, actually, we can't share email. Upwork
I know, yeah,
remove that.
I know. I will share it now. But would you be able to send me something already tomorrow morning? I mean, if I could have tomorrow something for we're 5 hours ahead. So if I could have something that I could show to my copywriter tomorrow morning, and then see how cool the strategy will be throughout this website, throughout these keywords. Would you be able to send me tomorrow morning something?
Like currently, what is the time there?
Here is 3:30 in the afternoon.
3:30. Means I have around.
Do you say here? Do you say 10, right? An hour.
And now here is the 7:33 p.m. now.
Yeah, that's why I asked you. You say that you'll be still working a little bit, 2 to 3 hours.
3 hours. Yeah. Okay, so tomorrow actually not morning, but tomorrow end of the day, I can finish the work and share with you. Like current is 7 p.m. So I can give you the report around like my time 10 p.m.
Your time 10 p.m. That will be like quite late. It will be by the end of the day for me.
Okay.
Yeah,
You need immediately, right? So if not, then I can send tomorrow. Actually, like today's my Monday, so I can send you Wednesday morning time.
SEO. Yeah, I mean, the sooner the better. I know this is kind of a late call,
Yeah, but
yeah.
like if you want immediate, then I can do that. But if there is no hurry, then actually we can take some time actually, and then I can send you like uh, Tuesday morning, Wednesday morning.
Tomorrow's Tuesday morning. Yeah,
Yeah, tomorrow is Tuesday morning.
yeah.
So do you want tomorrow or Wednesday?
The sooner the better. I mean, the sooner the better because tomorrow I'm gonna have a meeting by noon with the copywriter, and I'd like to show at least the keyword strategy, which is the one that and then the backlinks you can continue later in the afternoon. But at least the first thing that I need to have, but tomorrow noon my time will be also or 4 or 5 o'clock your time. My time will be 12 o'clock. We're 5 hours ahead. We are 5 hours behind. So
Uh,
yeah.
okay. Okay. So I'll do that. I'll do that. So tomorrow in your morning time, you will get that.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna fix in here the contract. I don't need to put some work description because I agree. I believe that understand what are the needs for this project. So were you able to open the link that I sent you?
Yeah. So you can just put the things, SEO things, like you need the keyword research for the landing page. So that will be the good enough description and the title.
Yeah, I mean also something that will help you with the um SEO keywords research and
And
strategy.
backlink.
Yeah, keyword research and strategy, and then backlinks. High, how you call this? High authority. So let's do that per hour, and then we can continue from there.
Okay.
Let's go. These people are charging for just to start in a contract. They charge kind of a 1 hour or something like that. That will probably better. We'll go with you to you instead. But these people from Upwork that are making money everywhere.
Okay. I got the contract.
Yeah. So let's start with that, and then let's speak in the morning. I mean, we should be in contact anyways. Let's continue in contact, even if you haven't finished anything. Let's be in contact in the morning. let's chat and see, if there are any question, if there are any inquiries, and just to make sure that things are moving forward. All right.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Let's be in contact. Thank you. Bye.
Yeah, have a good day. Bye bye. Topic, which topic you already write in your page, and this will be the our main keyword, and I will show some volume and the difficulties, how difficult rank this keyword, and also I'll put some secondary keyword which we will use